Hey guys, I'm Marcelo and I'm an installation technician for Flock Safety. So a typical day for us starts by looking at the inventory and our schedule to make sure that we have all the equipment necessary. I also go ahead and look at my basically like an overall schedule for the whole day and make sure that I have a good understanding of what I'm going to be doing, where I'm going to be going. Once I'm ready to hit the road, we do a wider range of stuff. We'll go from site surveys to maintenances, installations. It's quite a lot of stuff that we deal with every day. I enjoy working with the customers. You're always meeting all kinds of different people. And for the most part, they always have good feedback and they're excited about having Flock. What I like the most about working at Flock Safety, I think that it's the fact that we know that we're making a big difference.
Hi, I'm Tessa.
Hi, I'm Mark, and we're recruiters here at Flock Safety.
We work with qualified candidates to connect them with field operation roles across the country.
We prefer people to have low voltage experience. Definitely, working as a field technician, but we are willing to train. Really, the most important aspect to our technicians is to have that high touch point with our customers, because they are dealing with all of the customers. So they're the face of Flock Safety. So we do want to make sure that we do have passionate people who are able to speak about our mission in a way that's passionate.
The best thing about working here at Flock Safety is seeing people grow and blossom in their positions here.
I'm proud to work at a company that offers competitive pay, great benefits, 401k, and equity within the company as well.
Our field ops team is truly the secret weapon at Flock. I couldn't even count the number of times a customer has called me personally to sing our praises. And it's not because of the product, it's because of the quality of the work of our technicians. Y'all are truly the face of the company, and we would love to have you join our team.
If you're looking for an opportunity to expand your career in field operations with a company that cares about its employees and creating safer communities, we want to talk to you.
Apply now at flocksafety.com/careers.